Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve being slow on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve being slow on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Facebook app and you can click here in this window. Then this page of app info, you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.